Read, learn, know with Miss Ro. Yay!
Hi everybody, it's Miss Ro here once again, and today we're gonna have our STEAM class. Before I begin, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below and hit the like button after you've watched this video. And of course, please don't forget to share this video to your loved one. And if you wanted to be notified if I have posted new videos, please click on the notification bell down below. Now guys, let's start. Hi everyone, Miss Ro here once again, and it's been a while since I posted my last video about rocks and sand, and this time we're gonna have another fun activity, which is how to make our own holy powder. So to give you a little bit of a background of what Holi is a spring celebration in India wherein they throw like colored powder at each other, and this is a reminder that good always wins over evil. There's also a story behind this, and you can find this children's story in the description down below. So yeah, let's start. So I asked the kids to pour 1/4 cup of water into the container. And we added some food coloring, and then they kept on stirring the mixture. And then we added some cornstarch into the mixture. We basically estimated how much we needed. I just told them that once the mixture has turned lumpy and it's gonna be difficult for them to stir, they have to let me know, and it is gonna be ready to be transferred on a plastic sheet. Then we put the mixture in the sun and waited for a couple of hours. Then voila, it will look like this. So it will be so much ready for you to crush it and turn everything into powder. Then I took my kids outside and we had so much fun, like running after each other, throwing colored powder and celebrating Holi as part of their experiential learning in this unit called Where We Are in Place and Time. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!